Hi guys, it's Shell, Heart of It All Custom Creations. Welcome to another video. If you're new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. Hit that subscribe button to see future videos. I post new videos every Wednesday and Saturday. So today I'm going to talk a little bit about Creative Fabrica and some of the things that they offer. And I'm obsessed with Creative Fabrica. So let's jump right in. So here is what Creative Fabrica looks like. Everything will be listed in the description box below. Make sure you click on my link if you want to sign up. The best deal that you get is paying yearly, and you get so many fonts and photos and images and designs free. So I am looking for the new 3D tumbler wraps to sublimate, and I just typed in 3D tumbler wrap, and it brings up all these designs. I had already found one I wanted previously, and I saved it in my favorites, so I'm just showing you there's a whole bunch here. So I'm going to go up to my favorites and click on that and download the one I had already saved. Now I'm doing one for kind of like the 4th of July, and the pictures of this really don't do it justice. It looks like that eagle is just popping right off of the tumbler. So I'm going to go ahead and download this to my computer and save it in, and then I print it out. Here's what you would pay if you didn't have Creative Fabrica. So once it's printed out, you can see kind of the colors are a little dull. That's perfectly fine. Once you sublimate it, those colors are going to become so vibrant. So now I'm just going to cut off all of the white edges around my image, and then we'll be able to start on the actual tumbler itself. So I am going to use a 20-ounce sublimation tumbler from the Stainless Depot, and I went ahead and cleaned it off using alcohol, and I turned the tumbler upside down and put my image down upside down also, so that when you flip it over, it's right side up. But that way I know that it's even around the top. And then I'm going to take my heat-safe tape and tape up the tumbler. Once that's all taped up, I do take a plain piece of paper and wrap it around the entire tumbler from the bottom up. That way, when the tumbler goes into the convection oven, the gases that release the ink will not release onto my silicone sleeve. So this piece of paper protects my sleeve. So I'm just doing a quick tape of this so that I can then use my silicone sleeve to put onto the tumbler. And I just do like one piece of tape up at the top, or all the seam, and then around at the bottom to help that silicone sleeve slide on better. So here's the silicone sleeve that I used. The last time I checked, Amazon said these weren't available, but I will link one below that is available. And I just put that on and just kind of, sometimes it slides right in, and other times you kind of have to just hit it in, which is what I'm doing here. And then once I get that completely done, I made sure that my convection oven was preheated to 400 degrees. And then once that was preheated, I went ahead and placed the tumbler in. I lay it down, and I put it in for 2.5 minutes. And then when that 2.5 minutes is up, I rotate it and let it go for another 2.5 minutes. And then once that is done, I will pull this out of the convection oven. Now it is really hot when it comes out of the convection oven. So I do use these heat safe gloves, and then the silicone sleeve just slides right off. And then I proceed to remove the tape. Now, me being the dummy that I am, I just decided to use my finger here and got burnt. So I grab a tool to help remove that heat safe tape and take off the outer paper, and then I will move into removing the actual image paper as well. Now this, you can see how it bled through. If that was just on my silicone sleeve, that would have left that image on my silicone sleeve, and I did not want that. So now I'm just going ahead and removing the rest of the tape, and you'll be able to see exactly how vibrant that this image came out. And like I said, the print of it does not do it justice on how much it looks like that bald eagle is just popping off the tumbler, but this is such a stunning image. And see, there's hardly any ink left on that paper, which is good. That's what you want. And this is what it looks like. And like I said, this is a stunning image. And there are so many of these 3D images on Creative Fabrica. So make sure you do check out my link below and a list of all the supplies that I used as well. I will place this on my website if you are interested. This cannot be personalized unless I epoxy it, but just to let you know. I really hope you enjoyed this quick video. If you did, give it a great big thumbs up, and I'll see you next time. Bye, guys.